Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to use ZCash on SatoWallet app. First we go to the SatoWallet website at SatoWallet.com. There are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is one for PC. So we're going to use one of them because they all have the same interface. So I've already downloaded the PC one and I've already signed in. So all you need is email account and to sign in and set a password. And that is the Google AUTs for security of your funds. And right here is the amount I have in USD in my wallet. And here are the list of coins on the app. So we're gonna use ZCash. Okay, ZCash is probably be at the bottom because it starts with Z. Okay, you see ZCash is right here, and we can search right here. The search bar, you can just type Z. Okay, if you want to narrow it down, we can put the C. Okay, cash right here. You click on it and you see right here is the amount in ZCash, and here is the equivalent amount in USD. So if you want to send ZCash to a friend, you can type in their address right here and the amount you want to send. Let's say 24 ZCash. And if you want to reduce the amount, you can click here. This function, it enables you to actually decrease and increase. Okay, and here is the fee deducted, and here's the equivalent in dollar. Here's the equivalent of the amount you want to send in dollar too. And here's you can type something, just a comment, for example, say hey or hi. Okay, when you finish that, you can click the transfer button right here and you make your transfer. And that is the coin swap. Okay, this from currency to currency, amount to swap, and fee deducted. Okay, from currency, since we're using ZCash, we're gonna click here and here are the coins. So you're gonna have to look for ZCash. Okay, it's probably down. Okay, ZCash right here. Click, and so from ZCash to, okay, let's look for one other coin. Let's say dollar online. Click OK. Okay, this is my balance in ZCash, and this here is the amount I want to swap. Let's say 2 from ZCash to dollar online. Okay, you see, if the amount you want to swap exceeds your balance, it will show you right here in red, and if the amount doesn't exceed your balance, well, like this, the red text will disappear. And okay, let's go back to one. You see, one ZCash is equivalent to $112, and one ZCash is also equivalent to $29,052 online, and that amount is equivalent to $112 as well. So this is the fee deducted. After you finish, you click on your swap coins. So you see the swap coins button right here is kind of not available because the amount exceeds my balance. So we go like this, and you see, if the amount doesn't exceed your balance, you can actually swap, but if it exceeds your balance, you can swap. So okay, this is coin swap. Okay, let's move to exchange. Okay, this is market, and these are the available coins you can exchange with. Okay, let's look for ZCash. ZEC. Okay, you see BTC is ZCash. Okay, you click here and these are the amount of transactions, like trade from BTC to ZCash on SatoWallet. And here, this is the buying section and this is the selling section. If you want to buy, okay, the amount in ZCash is, let's say 2. Here, price in BTC, say 1. If you want to sell the amount in ZCash, say 3. Here, say 1. Okay, then you click if you want to buy, and you click here if you want to sell as well. Okay, then after doing that, here are the orders. If you make an order, like you want to buy, your order will show up right here. And if you want to like delete the order, you can cancel it. Right here there will be a cancel button right here. And here is the history, the trading history between BTC to ZCash, I mean. Okay, here is buy and sell between BTC and ZCash. Okay, let's move to currency. Okay, this is the fiat currency. You can change your currency from USD to any currency. Okay, let's try one currency here. Okay, let's go with this one. Click OK. It's gonna take some seconds to load. Okay, see, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, you see, before here it was showing USD, and now we change our fiat currency, it's showing this BAM currency. Okay, thank you I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.